Hey, how's it going? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Honda EXL. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 1.5 four-cylinder pushing 190 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Gray leather interior with a wood trim. Sunroof. CRV all-wheel drive badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, a push start ignition. Rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, automatic transmission. This CRV has 45,788 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda CRV, check out feldmannimports.com.